And welcome to Alpha One. So I have just had a live session again for binary option where you can basically follow my trades and copy what I'm doing. Today was a so-so live stream. We made profit, but not so much. But if you want to join me, I will trade again tomorrow, and it's completely for free. I trade here at YouTube. So for that, make sure you open an account with this broker. You find link below the video. If not, just a demo account, because it's so much more fun when you're following what I'm doing and use a demo account and then go in with real money later if you see you manage to follow what I'm doing, okay? Otherwise, if you want to go in with real money right away, make sure you use the promo code so you get 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. You find link and promo code, everything below the video. Also, I do trade at Discord also live. That is only every Saturday. So make sure you join my Discord. It's linked below the video for my Discord channel also. Okay, so now let's get to the trading we have done today. As you can see, 28. That's all the trades we have done today. We had a very good session here for a little while. We made some sweet profit. I was more than $2,000 in profit. But then on the Doge, we started to be super unlucky. And we lost 4 in a row. And then we won again on Binance Coin. So basically the profit I ended up with today is 740. And now, as you can see, with every trade we do, we collect something in this green thingy up here. So we can just collect that. We just push one time on the bottom, and then this will be added to a balance here. And we made like $206 extra, so plus 206. So we now ended up with $946 profit. So almost $1,000. That's good enough in my book. So make sure you join me on the next session. Let's trade together. When I'm trading also, you can write in the chat. I always have an extra computer up and I reply to any question. No question is stupid, okay? So ask anything you want and I will reply for you right away. So with that, I hope I see you in the next live session, and make sure you open an account here and let's trade together. Have an amazing day.